Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what's come today, my lovely people? My Nintendo Switch, woohoo! I've just unboxed it all because I was really excited. And I'll just show you what it looks like on the TV. Sorry, my eyes look black, I was crying with excitement, don't ask me why. I'm such a baby. But I'll just show you a case I got. So let me just stop. Basically, it come in this box. That is where you put your... See, look, it's all set up. Where you put your Joy-Cons, is it? And there's the box that tells you how to plug it in, how to remove the Joy-Con things. And these I haven't unboxed yet, like unwrapped, because I don't need them at the minute. They're like the strap things that you see on the... There's another one there, so you get two. I'll show you some games I got. I got the Lego Jurassic World. I got the SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated. And this is the one I really wanted to get, was the Splatoon 2. And my favourite game of all of them is Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, which is my favourite. Let me show you the case I got as well. It's this. It was from Amazon. It cost me $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. That's the front. It's called iVolver. And you can put like all your games in there, and it comes with a let me get that out of the packaging. Give me 1 second. It's not easy, as you can tell, doing it one-handed. In the zipper bit, you get a dust absorber so you can clean it, which I think is quite handy because they get really grubby. You get some wipes, wet wipe and a dry wipe. Next thing you get is another dust absorber and guide sticker, and you get some more wipes. And this in here, I'll take one out anyway because I'm going to use it. Take this out. There we go. This is the screen protector. It won't focus because it's very clear. This is the screen protector it comes with. You get two, which is I didn't know it come with a screen protector. But this, you can put like 12 games in there, I think. And that's where your DS game goes, which is quite handy. That was from Amazon. Was it from Amazon? Yeah, Amazon, because I'm on Amazon Prime. And yeah, let me show you the box again. That's the box it come in. We thought it was the Switch Lite, but yeah. But I'll show you what it looks like. Right, I'm back. So that's what it looks like on the TV. As you can tell, that's the Switch. And you put your Switch in that, which is quite clever actually. And then if you want to take it out, you just simply pull it out and it's back on the screen. If you want to put it back in, you pop it in like that and it's on the screen again. So yeah, sorry I got too excited and didn't do the unboxing, but I've got another game coming, so you'll be able to see that. But that's it. And also, if you want to control it by the TV, you just do it like that and select, and it's really good and I'm really happy. And now I'm going to put the games on. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and comment down below. Lots of love. Bye.